Hey guys, I don't know how I want to do my intro. Hello, hi everybody. Okay, so in this video today, I'm going to be reviewing the Benefit Brow Contour Pro. This product is basically like those like pens we used to use that have like, it's like one pen with like 5 colors and you use little knobs to like push the colors down. This is a product. So yeah, this is the packaging. So basically, we have 4 different colors. So you have your dark brown or your darker brow color for like the tail end of your brow. You have this color for the front end of your brow. You have define and shape color, and then this is the highlight color. I think it has like some shimmer. So yeah, it comes with 4 colors. Basically, you pop the color down that you want to use. So, doop, pop that down, and now it's out. And to get the product out, you twist. Now, I'm not going to twist this too much because once you twist it out, you can't go back. So, and then to get them to pop back up, we just kind of doop. And yeah, that's basically how you use it. So you push the colors down up here, you twist, and the product comes out when you twist it. So this comes in 5 colors, right? So you have the blonde light, brown medium, brown black light, and brown black deep. So I know it's just a brow product, but I feel like they could have done a couple more combinations. I would never use a color this light on my brows, ever. I would never pick out a color this light for my brows. So I don't know how this is going to play out. I wish they would have had a brown, black, and medium. That would have been perfect for me. But okay, yeah, let's get into this demo. Enough talking. We're going to see how this product works. By the way, this Brow Contour Pro does not have a spoolie. So I'm just using this Sephora brand spoolie to brush my eyebrow hairs out. The first color I'm going to start with is this color here. And this is, I don't know if you guys can read it. It says deeper shade. So it says deeper shade. And I noticed I was looking at the other colors and none of the colors had names. It's just deeper shade, lighter shade, definer, and highlighter. So we're going to go with deeper shade. So I'm going to twist this guy out. I'm going to twist him out twice. Oh. It moves out so slow. Look at that. I don't like how thick this is. I feel like it's awfully thick. So I'm going to be looking down at the mirror I have right here. I like a really natural brow, so I'm probably not going to use a lot of product. I'm going to turn this like about 2 or 3 more times. So far, not bad at all, actually. And this is a darker color, so I'm actually pretty surprised. It's not as brown as I thought it'd be. I'm going to actually go ahead and brush my eyebrow hairs just up, just a bit, and over. Because I just want to, there's a spot down here I really want to get. So I'm going to go ahead and pop the deep color back in. And now we're going to go in with this light shade. Is that what it's called? Yeah, the lighter shade. So pop that light shade down. Okay, so this is what the lighter shade looks like so far. So now this is the lighter brown color. Just doing some upward strokes here at the front of my brow. So far this is looking like a very, very, very natural brow. I think I could fill in here with a little more of the deeper shade. I do feel like because it's shape, I don't have as much control as I'd like. I feel like the product is running down pretty quickly too. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with the concealer color, which it's called the Definer. So that's the Definer shade. So I'm going to pop that down. Okay, so we're going to conceal. I'm going to conceal as I normally would. I start with like this part of my brow. There we go. Now, I feel like if you wanted to just use this product, I'm figuring you blend this out with your finger. So, oh, I'll just do that. Can I? I don't have the finger precision. Okay. Ooh, it blends so easily though. Look at that. So we're gonna just gonna blend this out. I'm gonna kind of go over it, like trying to even out the line a bit. So this is what we have so far. So I'm gonna use the same color on the top. I just want to see how it's gonna work. No, you typically don't, but I mean, the top of my brow has to get concealed some way, somehow. Okay, that's all we have. Now we're gonna blend it out again. This is so easy to blend, it's insane. I don't even mind using it in the top, at the top of my brow, because I feel like it's honestly blending right in. So I'm not gonna keep going in and trying to perfect this brow just because I am filming and I'm not the best brow filmer, okay guys? But to be honest, this is a nice ass natural brow. This is a very nice natural brow. So guys, I'm gonna come off camera. I'm gonna do my other brow. I don't know, I might add a little something else. I don't know yet. But I'm gonna do my other brow and kind of show you how they both look together with you know, with a slight face. And you know, I'm gonna tell you what I think, my final thoughts. Okay. I did my other brow and I just kind of like did a little something to my face, just added some mascara and a lip. And as I was doing that, I realized that I haven't used the highlighter color yet. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna add that color in right now. And I'm gonna tell you my thoughts on this product. Okay, so in this picture, right, they use the highlight color right here. Oh, applied it. And now I'm going to blend it out. There's a bug on my window. Okay. I'm gonna take this up just a little more right there. I appreciate this color. So on this side we have the highlight. This side we do not, so we're gonna add it over here too. I'll just do this on camera. Now we're gonna blend Buddy out. Nice soft strokes. Okay, so I think I'm done here, right? So I'm gonna halfway, just like my friend showed me this. I had no idea how to do it, but just pull this one halfway down and the other one pops up. But here are my brows. Here are my brows. Okay, so my final thoughts on this product. So for starters, in the beginning of the video, I talked about the range they had as far as their shades and combinations. And I want to say that these shades worked perfectly for me. My eyebrows look so natural, in my opinion. Not only that, but the lighter shade was very perfect for the inner part of my brows. And normally I feel like I can't take my brows too far in because my color, the color I'm using is too dark. Like I'll be using a dark color all the way around. So it was really nice to have this color as well. So you see right in here how you know, it has that gradient effect. I wouldn't be able to do this with a dark color, or be really hard and take a lot of time. And I just, you know, did a couple lines and just blended it out and it was pretty perfect. I feel like this product was really easy to use. Their definer color and highlighter color, although I used a brush, I feel like you can blend it out with your finger. But if you wanted to grab this product and just run out the door, like, you will have everything you need to do your brows. Like, even without a spoolie, you know, I think I could have got by. I was surprised at how clean and natural looking and precise my brows came out. So I think I touched on everything I wanted to. I love this product so much more than I thought I would, and I'm really excited to use it. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I will link that product down below. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. If you like this video, like it. And if you have any opinions on this product, if there's something you want to see or anything you want to say, just comment it down below and I will do my best to reply. But yes, thanks so much for watching. Bye!